Alright, we'll see how we go with that. So that's the door. So as I was saying, that's your windows actually in, sliding up and down in the Bailey channel, so it feels okay. Right. So now we lift up the winder mechanism. At this stage I'm just going to get one side in. That's spring loaded doodad like we spoke about earlier. Okay, that one's in that side. So grab the winder handle. And I'm going to push that up a little bit just so I need to open up the arms a little bit so I can get it into the channel. Right out. So now this one I can just now, working against that spring and pop it into the channel. Right, yeah, that's good. Now, sometimes you can slide that around. I can put that little roller device back in, the locating roller, shall we call it? Sounds a very nice technical term. But yeah, so we got to get in that. Not in behind there. Just like that. I'll tighten that up a little bit. It's all going to come apart again anyways, of course, but I'll tighten it up, otherwise it'll come loose later on when I'm trying to get the all set up properly. Let's do it a bit later. I can do it once I get it in. So now we just slide that up. I will get it made when I'm doing this with real glass, otherwise I'll end up damaging the glass and that sort of stuff. So at the moment we don't need to worry about it too much. That's it. Alright, what's next? Let's screw. Okay. Got that. One more. We'll put a couple more in, then we'll just give it a crank and just see what it goes like. Alright. I don't know if you can actually see anything at the moment. Riveting video. Oh yeah, it's fucking awesome. Alright, let's see how this crank goes. Rightio, so see the winder, as you wind it down, the window goes back. It should pick up on that channel at the back. All that well. There we go. So it's not that bad putting these things together. It's bloody, it worked alright. That's good. Yeah, so all good. Nice. I'm going to lift it up the camera so you can see the magic happening. Oh, fucking hell. There we go. Smooth ass. Alright, thank you. Hope that helps someone anyway.